Hi everyone. In this video, I'll walk you through a Power BI dashboard I created to analyze sales and customer behavior for a Shopify store. First, we will open our Power BI desktop and open Shopify sales data which I have created from the dataset of few days. In this video I will explain all the factors which is done in the dashboard. Dashboard overview. The dashboard gives a complete view of key business metrics, from total customers, net sales, and repeat purchase rate, to average revenue per customer. It highlights total sales of $4.17 million. Repeat customer rate of 46.03%. Average revenue per customer at $943.40. All of this helps in understanding customer value and retention. Product and payment insights. We also analyze performance by product type. Running shoes lead with $1.62 million in sales, followed by tennis and walking shoes. Payment methods are broken down too. Shopify payments dominate at 58%, followed by manual and PayPal. Trends in conclusion. Net sales trends over time help identify peak performance days. This dashboard is a powerful tool for e-commerce businesses to drive insights, boost retention, and make smarter decisions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more data projects like this. Thanks for watching.